Sir! Ay po, sir. Are you a collector po, sir?
Yes.
So, ano po mga kino-collect niya, sir?
I collect yellow items and yellow stuff.
So,
Yeah.
what do you do for a living?
I'm a YouTuber and a host.
So, sir, how much yung estimate na na-collect niyo ng yellow item, sir?
Estimate plus this iPhone, more than 80,000 pesos.
More than 80,000!
Yeah, because this iPhone was pretty much, 75K, so I think it counts as a yellow item as well.
Yes.
So, yeah, it should count.
Yeah.
Definitely.
And sir, ano pong advice niyo sa mga gusto rin mag-collect?
It's better to be creative than to be expensive. That way, in Tagalog, better to be practical than to act social. Kasi kapag you can create the colors that is corresponding to the colors, why not, right? It's still the color at the end of the day, so just do it. Yes.
Ayan, thank you!
You're welcome.